Fed up with slow progress, Sarah? Feel like your metabolism is constantly dragging you down? You're not alone. Imagine starting each day feeling defeated, your efforts unrewarded. It's not just your battle, it's a frustration felt by many. But what if there's a secret weapon that could turn your morning coffee from a simple ritual into a powerful catalyst for change? Introducing Javaburn, your new ally in the fight against stubborn fat and sluggish mornings. This isn't just any supplement, it's a revolutionary formula that supercharges your metabolism, enhances focus, and energizes your mornings, ensuring each day starts with a victory. With Javaburn, watch as your body transforms, your energy soars, and your focus sharpens. All from your morning cup of coffee. Don't let slow progress hold you back. Claim your discount now and join countless others who've turned their mornings and their metabolisms around. Click Claim My Discount now and start each day with Javaburn, your ultimate morning boost.